Hello, I'm Emriata. I've been a Binance Global affiliate since 2019. Today I will show you how to trade Cake, PancakeSwap. How do you trade? How do you open a Binance account? How do you make your first deposit? How do you verify your account? And most importantly, how can you get a 20% commission rebate on all spot trades for life? I will show you these using my referral code. Let's begin. Yes, friends, I will show you how to trade PancakeSwap. We need to open an account on Binance Global. For this, you can click on my referral link or use my code. This is the registration screen. You can sign up with your Google, Apple, or Telegram account, or you can register via phone or email. To ensure the referral code works, you must see my code and nickname here. What is this code for? As you can see, it provides up to 20% in trade rebates. And besides that, it provides a $19,800 welcome bonus for new users. It allows you to get a welcome bonus, which is a new user bonus. This code gives you a great opportunity. You can register by filling out this form in this way. Yes, we have arrived at Binance Global. In the first step, we need to do KYC verification. You can do this on your phone in 30 seconds, friends. Follow the steps and leave the rest to the system. After these 10 months, in the second step, we need to deposit money. So how will we deposit money into Binance? As you can see on the screen, we click on the Add Money section. As you can see, there are options here. Deposit crypto or pay with Binance Pay. Deposit USD. Purchase using US dollars. There are P2P trading options. Choose the best one for you. Continue by choosing the most correct step according to the crypto regulations in your country and your location. I will now show you using US dollars. I clicked Deposit Money. This time I click Buy with US dollars. Yes, on this screen, we want to buy a stable coin. First, to be able to trade Cake, to be able to trade PancakeSwap on the market screen. You can easily buy or sell here. You can sell your coins from here, as you can see. Now we will buy a stable coin, Tether. You can also buy USDC. I am writing 100. After that, I click Preview Order. It's that simple. The options appeared, as you can see. How much Tether do I get if I buy with MasterCard? If I pay with Apple Pay, how much Tether do I get? Here, all of them, shows you. Now if you wish, let's go to the PancakeSwap trade screen. Yes, on this screen. We click on Market. You can write Cake in the search section in the market. Yes, the relevant trading pairs appeared. If you bought Tether, you can click on Tether. If you bought USDC, you can click on USDC. If you are going to trade with BNB, if you bought BNB, you can click on BNB. I am clicking on Tether here. That is USDT. Yes, this is the trading screen. As you can see, there are buy and sell below. When we click here, we see the live information for the PancakeSwap project. How much PancakeSwap is in circulation? How much is the maximum supply? You can find all of this on this page. Now, we're at the trading section. Click Buy and see the red ones on the left. The red ones are sell orders and the green ones are buy orders. The one in the middle shows you the current PancakeSwap. Current status and price for you. Now, what are we doing here? Remember, we used a referral code when registering. We have the chance to get a $19,800 welcome bonus using this code. Because I have been an affiliate of Binance since 2019, I can provide you with the most functional and best commission rebate codes. Now, we need to generate volume to receive that bonus. I will also show you how to create volume while trading PancakeSwap, that is Cake. We had $100. To trade quickly right now, I click on the first red one in the sell orders in the red list. The order came here. I select $100 from here and I click Buy. Right now, my buy order has been placed, friends. Right now, I already had a Cake investment, but I just bought $100 more. I bought 64 Cake. Now, how will I sell this? You can look at the transaction history here, by the way. Look, I have bought 64 PancakeSwap right now. Now, while selling, I click Sell. Select the first green one. Look, the price is here. Let me type 64 directly. I typed 64. I said Sell Cake. Did our order arrive? Yes, it did. We see it in the transaction history. What did I do during this transaction, friends? I bought $100 of Cake. I sold $100 of Cake. What's that mean? I generated $200 in volume. To be able to get the $19,800 welcome bonus, you need to evaluate these volume opportunities. So PancakeSwap trading in the video was like this. Please don't forget to enable your two-factor authentication. Yes, friends, Cake, that is PancakeSwap trading was like this. please follow Binance Global's Academy pages. Get the information there. In this way, against scammers on social media, you learn how to protect your account. Most importantly, how do you read charts? You can get very valuable information about these. Nothing in this video is investment advice. Your money is your life, friends. Please be cautious of scammers on social media. That is how to buy cake. The referral code you used that I offered you supports my work. It also allows you to get a commission refund. If you liked it, you can click like on the video. Best regards, Emre Ata.